Hi, my name is Manpreet Singh. I would like to present my presentation on innovation company called Microsoft. Microsoft. Microsoft is famous for its innovation strategies that it has been applying in its processes for a while now. Innovation is one of the primary drivers for growth in Microsoft. Let's move ahead. So the five sub-processes for innovation management for Microsoft, which are envision, engage, evolve, evaluate, execute. So let's get deep into this. Envision. Envision is a critical step in the innovation management process. They should put in place the strategy and plan to achieve the innovation goals in the business strategy. Engage. In this process, companies engage employees, customers, and partners in an innovation community to capture and share new ideas. Evolve. In this process, companies evolve ideas as individuals or as teams to increase their quality and value. Evaluate. Ideas may iterate through multiple steps between the evolve and evaluate sub-processes until the ideas are mature enough to become a portfolio of potential products. Last one, execute. This sub-process takes the input from the previous processes and executes a formal project to further develop the ideas or commercialize it. Now, the next slide I will talk about is capabilities approach, the key factors in innovation and strategy. So there are basically three key factors when determining the innovation strategies of any firm. Let's analyze these all in details. Position of the firm, in which Microsoft Innovation Hub. This is a digitally innovation environment to systematically capture ideas and manage them. All the innovative ideas are deployed in this hub. Microsoft DRA framework. This refers to Microsoft Discrete Industry Reference Architecture for the discrete manufacturing industry. The DIRA framework covers three basic imperatives, which are innovate, perform, grow. In innovate, we can see that where it manages cross-boundary innovation and accelerate time to market. In perform, it delivers operational excellence with reliable business continuity. And in grow, we can see that it can do observe and serve customers globally to drive growth with profitable proximity. Enterprise project management. This will be explained later on. Paths open to the firm. And Microsoft has several opportunities to invest in three major areas: digital work and life experiences, cloud operating system, devices operating system, and hardware. Digital work and life experiences. Microsoft wants to significantly enhance the digital life of their customers using their broad portfolio of communication, productivity, and information services. And cloud operating system. The cloud creates the opportunity for businesses to focus on innovation while leaving non-differentiating activities to reliable and cost-effective providers. Device operating system and hardware. It aims to deliver the richest and most consistent user experience for digital work and live scenarios on screens for all sizes, like phones, tablets, and laptops to TVs and large multi-touch displays. Microsoft Technologies for Innovation Process Management. Microsoft has a set an innovation process management which has 6 following stages, which are strategize, capture, formulate, evaluate, define, select. In the first, strategize. In order to foster innovation, the organization must first establish and prioritize business drivers and metrics. And capture. Ideas are captured in a centralized and collaborative portal. Employees can search to find experts both internally and externally, and they can search back-end systems to gather sales history data to develop a business case. Formulate. Ideas are formulated according to business cases that include strategic impact, market potential, financial analysis, and as well as SWOT analysis. Evaluate. Evaluate the best rated ideas and select the ones that suit your portfolios the best. Define. Build the project team and execute the project while taking into consideration design, market potential, and legal evaluation. At last, give final funding approval to selected projects. Microsoft Enterprise Project Management. The three aspects of overall process are ideation and knowledge capture, process and knowledge management, project and portfolio management. Ideation and knowledge capture helps you and your team share ideas easily and rapidly to promote a culture of innovation. This culture occurs by increasing participation and then the quality and quantity of contributed ideas. Process and knowledge management, which it helps you to investigate, formulate, evaluate, develop and promote an idea from concept to sanction projects while involving key stakeholders, internal and external to an organization. At last, project and portfolio management, which helps you to evaluate ideas according to governing strategic objectives such as growth, globalization, innovation and customer loyalty. There are some 10 rules for artificial intelligence for Microsoft. Some of them are as follows. Artificial intelligence must be designed to assist humanity and to respect human autonomy. And that collaborative robots or cobots should do dangerous work to create a safety net and safeguards for human workers. Then comes the artificial intelligence must be transparent. We should be aware of how the technology works and what its rules are. Artificial intelligence must maximize efficiencies without destroying the dignity of people. In that, it should preserve cultural commitments, empowering diversity. Artificial intelligence must be intelligent privacy, sophisticated protections that secure personal and group information in ways that earn trust. Artificial intelligence must be algorithmic accountability so that humans can undo unintended harm. Artificial intelligence must guard against bias, ensuring power and representative research so that the wrong heuristics cannot be used to discriminate. The proposed changes. There are some proposed changes which include some of the following aspects, and they are as follows. Microsoft should offer more cognitive services such as analyzing images known as computer vision and language comprehension to bring higher innovations into the company. Opening up machines learning algorithms developed for internal use. Then more cloud delivered services should be introduced, like use of customer feedbacks for higher innovation involvement is imperative. Then cloud delivered services, predictive analytics like data mining to forecast trends. Introduction of a conversational platform developing voice artificial intelligence services so that people can integrate information from different sources such as digital diaries, online maps and corporate websites and coordinate meeting friends and car rides with visits to restaurants and cinemas for users. That's all. Thank you.